What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the title of this video today, we're going to be TIG welding a new catch can slash burn down box, whatever you want to call it, for the S-10. I just want to start off by saying that this is not a how-to video. This is not a look at my good welds video. This is just a I'm trying to piece this together. This is how I think a catch can will work, and if it don't, then I'll just go back to my old catch can that I had set up before. So I actually had an intro set up for this video. I explained everything, and as I'm sitting here editing it, I did not like it. So just gonna kind of voice over on this one and explain what I'm doing throughout the process here through the video. I mean, really just want to say I'm not a TIG welder. I don't do this normally. This is my first real project, so it's not the best looking at all, for sure. You're gonna see in the video I actually dip my tungsten quite a bit and have to walk away and go sharpen it, but I'm learning slowly. So you can see here I put a plate on the bottom with a bunch of holes in it. Well, once I flip it over, it'll be the top. And I kind of made that just so whenever the liquid inside sloshes, it's not able to just come straight out the tube that's going to be on top. I got a 2-inch tube that's going to be the stack that goes out of the bed cover so it vents to the atmosphere. And I'm hoping that will be enough to keep it from mainly sloshing out on takeoff and shutdown. See here, just normal welding, or attempting to normal weld. I'm still learning, like I said. Just welding the side on, and you'll see later in the video I'm going to actually put these stainless steel balls, I don't know what they really are for, I guess cleaning, to also help with the sloshing, which I think will work. But here again, I'm sharpening my tungsten because I dipped it. I'm going to dip it a lot in this video, so sorry about that. As I finish up this one side here. And if y'all have any tips or tricks to help me throughout this process, or something I did wrong that y'all noticed, please comment and let me know, because I'm open to any ideas or any suggestions. Like I said, it's not a normal thing I do. I never weld this much. I normally just do little coupons that don't mean or do anything. This is the first thing that's going to hold a liquid in it. So I'm welding the bungs on here because it's going to be AN lines from the valve covers to the bed where this catch can is going to be sitting. And then I put the stack on right here. The stack I actually really felt comfortable welding. This is the best looking weld on the whole thing, I guess because it's flat and it was just an easy position and comfortable to weld in. But I actually like the way that the welds turned out on the stack. Everything else was either too hot, too cold, melted too much, or something. Something happened on it, pretty much every other weld. But as you'll see in the end of the video, it still holds water, at least, and doesn't leak. So right here, let's see, I'm working on I put an extra little coupon on the bottom of it to give my valve more to thread to. I mean, it holds, like I said, it holds water, so it worked. And that was my theory, just to give it more than one layer to have threads in. And I kind of had to go over it because I wasn't too happy with the way those welds came out. And so is where I take forever to try to thread this bottom here. The tap kept getting stuck and stuff, and it eventually worked. You see I put the stainless steel cleaning balls, whatever they are, in there to help with the sloshing. So now I have the balls in there, and I have the plate that I welded up there, which hopefully that is more than enough. I don't know what they put in normal catch cans to keep them from doing it. I don't know how they normally baffle them, but that was just an idea. Like I said, I'm just trying something and seeing if it works. If it don't work, no big deal. I'm out like $40 on this thing, probably like 60 or 80, but no big deal really. Here I'm putting a little valve at the bottom and we're gonna go water test it. Can't really see, but clean it off and it holds water, doesn't leak, so we're good.